welcome back to AIQrArt 101, and today we are going to be discussing how you use the QR artistic section on the website. So to start with, and you'd have to go up to QR curation, which we have discussed in a previous video. You will choose all the information you would like to enter. You generate the QR code you would like to use, and then you bring that QR code down into the QR artistic area. Here you will find many selections of methods you can use to design your own QR code art. First of all, you have model selection. Here you can choose between your featured model, anime architect, reality render, and many more. The featured model is the most popular and will give you a detailed image on what you describe. The anime architect gives you a high detailed image of anime, and reality render will give you a reality picture, which is a raw photo and comes in 8. I'm going to pause it. Version 3, reality render, gives you a reality photo. It's a raw photo and comes in 8K HUD, which is perfect for most users. So for this purpose, we are going to use the reality render version. You have Lora model selection, which is a picture. So the Lora model selection is for fine-tuning your image. It is a plucking method which will give you a higher detailed picture. You have many to choose from, and each version will match the version in your model selection. Then next you have creative prompt, which you will enter the information you want your picture to look like. Please be sure to make it as detailed as possible. Oh no. So in the creative prompt section, you will enter the information you would like your image to look like. Please make sure it is as detailed as possible for the best results. So here we are going to enter this information, and in your negative prompt section, this is whether you want your image to have unwanted elements. So you would remove anything you do not want. For this purpose, we are just going to leave it blank. And then you have select your image export ratio. Here you can either go for a 1:1 ratio, a 16:9, a 9:16, or a 4:5 ratio. Each one will vary on how you want your QR code to come out in size. And then we have the sample count. The sample count decides how many QR codes you want to create. For the video, we are just going to create one, and we will discuss the rest of the details in another video. So we are going to press submit, and we wait. And there you go. If you wish to try and scan this QR code, you will feel free, and it will take you straight to the website so you can decide on how to make your own. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.